Today we are going to talk about acne. And for most of us who have experienced this at some point in our lifetimes, we know what a profound impact it can have on our confidence and our self-esteem, and just be so frustrating when it seems like nothing we try really works to improve it. And, when it's happening to our kids, our teenagers, it can be especially heart-wrenching. Now, unfortunately, many of the topical solutions out there don't really get to the root cause of the problem. But what if I told you that the key to overcoming these skin disturbances is really about balancing our health from the inside out? And what we eat can actually be the key to clear, healthy, glowing skin. Hi, I'm Allison Acera, registered dietitian with MedShadow. And today we are talking about the ways what we eat really impacts the development of acne and ways we can actually use nutrition to achieve that radiant glow we've always wanted. So let's get started. Hormonal fluctuations like we see in teens or, related to the menstrual cycle is probably one of the most significant culprits of acne in a few ways. So let's really break those down. First, acne tends to be associated with androgen production. Now, androgens are a group of hormones. They play a crucial role in the development and maintenance of male characteristics. Now, while these hormones are present in both males and females, they are typically at higher levels in males. Primary androgens include testosterone and DHEA as examples. So when it comes to acne, these androgens can stimulate the sebaceous or oil glands in the skin to produce more sebum. Now, an excess of sebum actually leads to those clogged pores, creating an environment where, it's just conducive to acne development. Now, secondly, androgens also influence the process of keratinization, where skin cells become stickier and adhere to each other. So this actually can contribute to the formation of comedones. Comedones are clogged pores and further contribute to acne. Now, general inflammation in the body can also lead to hormonal fluctuations, particularly increased androgens during puberty, PMS, and menopause, which can lead to inflammation in the skin. Now, inflammation plays a role in the formation of many, many chronic issues, but definitely inflammatory acne lesions. Now, stress is also a trigger for hormonal changes that can worsen acne. So stress hormones such as cortisol can really stimulate the sebaceous glands and contribute to acne flare-ups. Polycystic ovary syndrome, or PCOS, is a hormonal disorder that actually can cause elevated androgen levels. So women with PCOS may experience persistent acne, often along with other symptoms such as irregular periods and increased facial hair. And last, menopause is also a moment in the life cycle where women can experience acne. This is often due to lowering estrogen, which estrogen's role, and so many roles for estrogen, is that it actually can protect the skin. And simultaneously, those androgens, like testosterone, may not decline quite as rapidly. So the relative increase in androgens compared to that declining estrogen can contribute to an imbalance, leading to an increase in sebum, again, that oil production. So now that we've uncovered some potential causes for acne, what can we actually do about it? So for many of these conditions, the answer lies actually in an unlikely place, and that's our gut microbiome. Now, the gut microbiome we've talked about quite a bit is actually crucial to the health of our skin, as well as a target treatment for stabilizing hormones. So we know the gut is home to trillions of microorganisms, collectively known as the microbiome. The balance of beneficial and harmful bacteria in the gut can influence the immune system and inflammation levels. So an imbalance in the microbiome, what we call dysbiosis, can cause inflammation and other skin issues like eczema, psoriasis. It can also impact nutrient absorption and lead to deficiencies in key nutrients that are going to protect the skin, essential fatty acids, zinc, vitamins A, C, D, and E, and also a condition called gut permeability, sometimes known as leaky gut, can allow toxins and undigested food particles to enter the bloodstream. So this is going to trigger an immune response and potentially acne. So we've highlighted many of the causes for acne and a potential target when it comes to treatment, and that is achieving and maintaining a healthy gut. So when it comes to nutrition, what do we want to do to protect our gut and optimize and really improve it and get to that balance that we're looking for? So I'm going to highlight 5 ways we can eat to directly improve the health of our gut. And that is going to also stabilize our hormone levels, reduce inflammation that can lead to acne. So number 1, including 25 to 35 grams of fiber per day. Now, this is done with legumes like lentils, whole grains, fruits and vegetables, nuts and seeds. And that's going to really help to improve the overall quality of bacteria in the gut. Prebiotic fiber in particular, resistant starches like unripe bananas, chicory root, garlic, onions, and sunchokes is actually going to feed those healthy gut bacteria. Number 2, minimizing sugars and refined carbs, which can really cause an overgrowth of that unhealthy bacteria, which can worsen hormonal conditions and lead to acne. Number 3, eliminating dairy and gluten for some sensitive individuals may be helpful in reducing gut inflammation and might be worth a try. That can potentially help hormonal health and reduce acne. And number 4, choosing whole, minimally processed foods and avoiding additives and preservatives can go a long way in improving the health of the gut. Okay, so to wrap things up, let's focus on improving our gut health as one very important strategy to improving acne and stabilizing hormones for more clear, radiant skin. Increasing fiber and prebiotic fiber in particular, reducing those added sugars and refined carbohydrates, potentially eliminating dairy and gluten, and overall choosing whole, minimally processed foods are all a great start. So if you have any questions, please drop those in the comments. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon.